Conquer your SAP is HANA migration. Struggling with your SAP? Tool for HANA migration? Don't sweat it. This step-by-step guide will show you how to use the SAP for HANA Migration Cockpit app like a pro. Let's dive in. First, access the Migration Cockpit through your SAP Fiori Launchpad. Ensure you have the necessary authorizations. This is your central hub for all migration activities. Choose your migration approach. Migrate data directly from SAP system or migrate data using files. The direct transfer is often faster, while file-based migration offers more flexibility. Select the option that best suits your needs. Next, define your migration project. Give it a descriptive name and specify the source and target systems. This project will contain all your migration objects and settings. Now, select the relevant migration objects, like business partners or materials. Configure each object by mapping source fields to target fields. This ensures data is transferred correctly. Before the real deal, simulate the migration. This identifies potential errors early on. Once you're happy with the simulation, execute the actual data migration. Finally, monitor the migration progress. Validate the migrated data in your S/4HANA system. Ensure everything is accurate and complete. Ready to simplify your SAP S/4HANA migration? Subscribe now for more SAP tips and tricks. Download our free migration checklist in the description below and start your migration journey.